If you're not able to do it, then that probably means at the stage in business you're at, you're not ready to be making those connections anyway. So in the same way that I'm not ready to run a marathon tomorrow, or I'm not ready to bench press 300 pounds tomorrow, get better connections, get better, make your business better, make more money still. I get, social media messages, LinkedIn messages, emails all the time, people saying, come for lunch, let me take you for lunch, let me have a call with you. And I said, I'm really conscious I don't answer this, sounding like a dick or sounding arrogant, but I've got 7 lunches a week I can take, right? And 7 dinners a week I'm going to take, and I'm going to take them with the people that I'm trying to network with, or with my mates, or with my daughter, or my family.
Guaranteed value.
Something that's guaranteed value for me, not necessarily financial value, but something I know I want to do. So unfortunately, when some random person messages me and says, Matt, let me take you for lunch, like, I don't need to have lunch with you. And if you want to get in front of me, just like if I want to get in front of someone that I want to get in front of, what are you going to offer me? And the fact that you're going to pay for my lunch is not really going to help me. And to put this into context, there's a I won't mention names, but there's a very well-known UK business person that I've been trying to get in front of recently. And understandably, he won't take my call, he won't take my introduction. But I found out he's a tennis fan and a big tennis player. And because of my connections into the tennis world, I've proposed to him through his PA a game of doubles with me against 2 previous world champion tennis players. All of a sudden, he now wants to take my call. Now, and again, I'm conscious of the people watching this might be thinking, well, that's lovely, Matt, but it's completely unrealistic. How am I ever going to get 2 ex Grand Slam champions to come and play tennis? But that's when it then comes back to
where you are,
back to being realistic. And maybe if you're not able to do it, then that probably means at the stage in business you're at, you're not ready to be making those connections anyway. So in the same way that I'm not ready to run a marathon tomorrow, or I'm not ready to bench press 300 pounds tomorrow, baby steps, get better connections, get better, make your business better, make more money still. And I think it's having that progression plan in place.
Man, I love so much what you've just shared.